Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sinu. Today I would like to show you a simple, beautiful, and easy flower embroidery technique. There is a top secret between this color combination. To understand the detail of this video, please watch the full. For begin our embroidery, let's start with a straight stitch at the center. So we should take yellow color embroidery thread from the center straight line. After that, the second stitch we will put the one side of the petal. So there we'll put a small gap. It's 1 mm of gap in between the two stitches, and we should pass the needle and thread under the straight line. Pierce to back in between the 1 mm of space that we kept first. There we should pierce the needle back to the back side of the fabric. After the first stitch, we should take a violet color embroidery thread, that is also in the 6 strands of embroidery thread. Here the same like the previous yellow stitch, the same thing like violet here we are using. For in the second stitch, here also we are doing one prick in the same side. We move back the thread under the central straight stitch and wrap around the central thread, come back between the previous stitch, and we'll pick it, and we will pick it the fabric and go to the downside of the fabric. While doing this yellow and violet colors of thread, when we are doing each stitch alternatively, in the central part of the thread, here we are using the needle to make it a little more tight. So we will stack this yellow and violet color thread one by one at the central part of the straight stitch. So when we are making it tight, it will give a beautiful appearance. The another basic technique used to finish this flower beautifully. Along with that, I would like to explain about the materials and threads here using. Here I used is the anchor embroidery thread, that is in yellow and purple or violet color, and is also in 6 strands of embroidery thread. The fabric here I used is the poplin cotton fabric, and the hoop here I used is the 6-inch embroidery wooden hoop. When I am making this type of embroidery video, I would like to know from which part of the world my audience are watching my video. So please comment it below, and if you like or if you are able to understand this type of embroidery video, please put it as a comment. Please like, subscribe and share, and please support and watch my full video. When we watching this embroidery on the way by the center of the petals and all, previously I mentioned about the 1 mm gap that we can see it very visibly. The stitches that we already done, it's at the tip of the petal, it is very small in distance, so it is not visible properly. But when the width of the petal is getting more, and you can see the gap, the space between the two yellow color or two purple color, we can see it visible when we are doing the embroidery. So let's see in detail. Hope you enjoyed this cute embroidery product that I shown in this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe, share, and please comment and support my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed and peaceful day. Bye bye. After finishing the flower petals, the remaining the center of the flower I filled with the French knot. For doing the French knot, here I used a brown color embroidery thread that is in 6 strands. So we should break from the back side of the fabric to front, and each needle is a wrap around with the thread and pick it back in the same point. Using the French knot, here I filling the center of the flower, that is I am filling the French knot with the circular shape. So in the beginning of the video I told about the color combination. If you like more about the color combination, you can check in the Google regarding the color wheel pattern. If you like to know more, just comment it as color wheel. I will explain that in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a peaceful day.